Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Last time we talked about the if-else statement and we made this example of how to use a basic if-else example, and we tried to use this method on our object here, our P object, and we showed that it could take an integer number, and it worked that when the number was equal to 18 or higher, then it will console write line that the person is adult. Today I'm gonna make an example of if you have more than once, if you have 3, 4 results or prints, then what do you use in C#? There is this switch case example. Switch case is basically about using the code or your options when you have more than one. So if we try to delete this and tell this that I'm gonna show, or I'm gonna print day. Let's say I want to see which day we are in a week. Then you can make a switch case, cause for printing out the day you need more than 2 options. You need from Monday to Sunday. So you can say I'm gonna make this switch statement, and I want this switch, the condition in here is gonna be which case we gonna hit in the cases in switch. I'm gonna try to show it. Maybe it's easier to understand. Now I made the switch and I put day in it, cause this day is coming from here, which is my value. So I'm gonna tell it, if the case for day is 1, then I want you to console write line it's Monday. And we need to break, cause else it will just stay in case 1. So in the second we can say option 2 is if the day is 2, then we want to console write line Tuesday, and so on, and break that too. So you can basically keep doing this on how many options you want in your method. Oh, sorry. So in this example we need 7 cases. So I'm just gonna copy paste this and change the values 3, 4 and so on. And then I'm gonna change this Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Oh. So when we try to run this code, the print day, when we try to run this method, we need to give it an integer so we can see which day it is. So if we move over to program, of course it shows us an error cause this method is now gone. We changed it with print day, and the print day takes an integer. So let's say 2. Okay, the number of 2 will put it down here. So let's hope it will print out Tuesday. So when we run this code, it shows us Tuesday. And when we, let's say we want to hit Friday, then we need the value 5. So when we write 5, then we want Friday. Then you can build more options if you want, but in this situation you need a good programmer will make an if statement to tell what if we are out of index. What if we write 8 or 20 or 100? Then you can say if day value is equal or bigger than 8, or maybe just bigger than 7, then we want to tell the user that the value is out of bounds or is too big. Value is too big. So when we give it a number which is bigger than these options, it should put us down here. So if we save this and move over to program and put 55, then you can see the value is too big. And that's a basic example of the switch case.